So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah! Hi, it's me, Meekah. And today I'm at the Lang Foundation in Los Angeles, California. And here, you can adopt a dog or a cat, and then they can be part of your family. Oh, there's a dog right there. Oh, hi, I'm Meekah.
Hi, I'm Megan.
Hi, Megan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. This is Willow.
Oh, hi, Willow. Oh, it's always important to ask before you pet an animal. Can I pet Willow?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
So just crouch down so you're on her level and put your fist out so she can smell you.
Willow, Willow. Oh, what do you think? Aww. So sweet. Well, are there more animals inside?
There are.
Oh, let's go check them out. So what is this little one's name?
This is Sprout.
Sprout! What a cute name. Hi, Sprout. I have some treats for Sprout. Sprout allowed to have a treat?
Yes, he is.
Let's see. You want a treat? You think Sprout likes treats? Aw. Can we bring Sprout down to the ground and see if Sprout will want to play with us? Aw. Whoa, cool squeaky toy. It's a pink snake. So once someone adopts an animal, what do they need to take care of the animal?
Yeah, so for dogs, they need a leash, a collar or harness, food, bowls, and a lot of toys.
Whoa. Food, bowls, toys. It's a lot of work to take care of an animal. They need a lot of things. Aww, and is it different for cats?
Yeah, so cats would need also food bowls, litter box, litter, some good things to scratch on.
Oh yeah, cats love to scratch.
And a safe carrier in case you need to take them to the vet.
Oh wow. So you get a lot of things once you adopt an animal here.
Yes. Yes, we give people some of the food that they've been eating, some toys.
And where do you get all of these toys? They have so many fun things to play with here.
We get a lot of it donated. If people have extra supplies, they donate them to us. And yeah, it's a big help for us.
Whoa, what a great idea to donate toys for these dogs and cats to play with. Oh, what's this toy? Where did these animals come from?
So we rescue these animals from city shelters. Basically, the shelters are crowded with animals, so we take them and find them new homes.
Oh, that's really nice. And if someone wants to adopt an animal, what do they do?
So we would have them come in and meet some of the animals. They'd fill out an application, and we would help them find the right animal that matches their family.
Wow, that's awesome. It's so fun to play with cats and dogs, but it's also important to remember you have to take very special care of them. Whoa, come look at this dog. Whoa, what kind of dog is this?
This is an American Bully mix.
American Bully mix, whoa. This is a bigger dog, aw. And she's so loving. What's her name?
Her name is Lady.
Hi, Lady. Aww. So sweet. What's this? A blue, like a little mouse with a super long tail. Aww. This dog is so cool. Ooh, and I love the purple leash. One of my favorite colors. Love your leash. Oh, and what's on her belly here?
Yeah, so she's definitely had a litter of puppies.
Wow, a litter of puppies? That's so cool. How many puppies do you know?
I don't, but I think they can have up to 10 puppies.
Whoa, that's a lot of puppies. Wow. Oh, well, it was nice to meet you. Thanks for playing with us.
Lisa's ready for her bandage change.
Okay, great.
Aww, hi. So what room is this?
So this is our medical treatment area.
Oh, a medical treatment area. So this is where animals go to be taken care of if they're sick or maybe they hurt themselves. what's wrong with her leg?
So we rescued her with a broken leg.
Aww.
And yeah, now she has a cast on and she's healing.
Oh, good. That must mean she's feeling better.
She definitely is.
Yeah, I can hear some purring in there.
She's purring really loud.
Yeah, cats purr when they're in a great mood, right? Aww. And why is she wearing a big yellow flower? She looks super cute, and yellow's one of my favorite colors.
So that's an e-collar, and it keeps her from taking her bandage off.
Oh, that's so smart and super cute. Are there other cats that we can see?
There are.
Oh, let's go see some more cats. Feel better. Cool. Welcome to the catio. Get it? Cat, patio. It's the catio. Now, they said that there are a lot of cats in here. Will you help me find them? Awesome. Okay. Whoa. Look at all this. It kind of looks like something you would see at a playground. The cats can climb up here and they can scratch. Come over here. Shh. I see a cat. Can you see it? Oh, it's sleeping. We found our first cat. Good job. Oh, there's another cat over here. You see it? Hi, cat. That cat looks really soft. And there's another cat. Hi, kitty. Wow, so we found 1, 2, 3 cats so far. Wow. Do you see any other cats? Come down here, all the way to the floor. There are 2 cats in there. They're cuddling. I wonder if they're best friends. Oh. Hi. They're so cute. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cats so far. I wonder if there's any more. Oh, wow. There's some water and some food in here. They take really good care of their cats. Oh, look down here at these little boxes. I see some blankets in here so the cats can be nice and comfy cozy. Oh, and look, it's a cutout of a cat face. That's cool. I don't see any cats though, do you? I see one right here. Oh my goodness. Shh. This cat is taking a cat nap. Whoa, it looks really comfortable. I wonder if cats have dreams. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cats. We found 6 cats. Thanks for finding cats with me. I wonder what else is here. Come on. Check it out. I'm in a cat room. This is where all the cats are hanging out, relaxing like this one. Whoa, hi, I'm Meekah. This room is so cool. There's a tree in here. Whoa, I bet the cats like to scratch on the tree. Maybe they scratch their back on there. Oh yeah. Whoa, and cool thing is to climb on. Look, a little cat toy, a little mouse. What else is over here? Whoa, do you know what this is? This long yellow tube? The cats can climb up here and then climb through the tube. Maybe you've done something like that at a playground before. They must have so much fun here. And in each little cubby is where the cat can go and have a little nap. Any cats in here? Oh, there's a cat in there. I didn't even know that. Hi. There's 2 cats in there. I don't know if you can see. There's 2 cats just hanging out. Aw, a teddy bear. I wonder if cats like to cuddle with stuffed animals. That's so sweet. Aw. Well, I have a cat toy. Have you ever seen anything like this before? Let's see if some of these cats want to play with it, okay? Anyone want to play with me today? What about you? This cat's like, please don't bother me. I'm trying to take a nap right now. Okay, understood. Okay, hey, look, there's big bowls of water here because it's important for cats to hydrate, just like us. Hey, something else that they can climb on. And look, these little holes, these little hidey holes that they can just get all comfy. Cats seem to nap a lot. Hey, Megan.
Hey.
Oh my goodness. Who is this?
One more friend for you to see. This is Memphis.
Gosh. Can I hold Memphis?
Yes.
Oh, look at this little kitten. How old is Memphis?
He's 8 weeks.
8 weeks? Just a little baby kitten. Wow, Memphis is brand new to the world. Aw. Wait, is Memphis from Memphis?
I don't think so. I don't know how we got the name Memphis.
Aw, it's a super cute name. So Memphis is only 8 weeks old. What does Memphis usually do?
He plays with his 2 brothers.
You have 2 brothers?
He has 2 brothers.
Oh, that's so fun. Wow, baby kittens are so teeny tiny. Aw, it's so nice meeting you, Memphis. Oh my goodness. You do such a good job taking care of all of these animals.
Aw, thank you.
Aw. Well, thanks for letting me hang out with you, Memphis. That was so fun getting to hang out with dogs and cats today. We learned about how to take care of our pets and adopt them and make them part of our family. Oh, cats and dogs are so cool. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to see more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Cool! M-E-E-K-A-H. Meekah. Well, thanks for learning with me. See you next time. Bye. Come on, everyone. Let's make learning fun. Meekah, Meekah. So much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Meekah.